Colby, just a quick morning recap. I took one position I sold out of my overnight swing, took one position on PLTR early this morning, already sold it, and then, but today I'm just going to solely focus, I think, on Tesla. I think, just given the amount of volatility it's had and the crazy movements, I think instead of flip-flopping around from stock to stock to stock, if I just am pinpoint precision focused on one stock, I think I'll be better at it. So
That's what I'm trying to do, but I'm trying to find a good stock right now.
Tesla's on the more expensive side, so I understand, like not really wanting to trade it, but hold on, Skylar, I gotta get you in the video real quick. Say what's up to the video.
What's up, chat? How's it going? Just fixing my webcam here. Well,
Wait, where's your
oh,
cat?
kitty.
Where's your cat?
Where's my kitty? She's around these bad nights.
But for those of you who don't know, Skylar's actually trading from Hawaii this morning. What time is it over there, Skylar?
It's about 4:28 a.m. right now.
And you said daylight
It's
savings
around.
actually is going to be at 3:30 a.m., right?
Y'all, yeah, 3. The market will be open at 3, so
That's
it's gonna be pretty rough. I'm gonna try
that's
to
gonna be
hold on as long
brutal.
as I can
Yeah. Um,
until I'm an active swing trader. So we'll see how that works
Neo's
out.
having a really aggressive push before the bell. Is there any news? Tesla reaching $2 trillion of valuation in 2 years. Um, oh.
CEO of Neo.
X- Xpeng, no, Xpeng is another Chinese car company.
Oh. Oh shit. Buy everything. What was that?
That's the morning bell. Um, I watching Tesla push up right here. But one of my rules, Skylar, is I don't trade 5 minutes before or after the bell, just given the insane volatility. And for
Oh,
some, TD can be very laggy at market open and can really screw you. And I've been on the wrong end of it too many times. So
damn.
I'm watching Tesla push up right here, but it's fine because I know I've had positions where I've um, accidentally got filled at the top, and it just flushed right down. When I say accidentally, I mean
You could always like practice paper trading.
yeah, for
Hey
sure.
Reed, I'm looking at Fitzer Inc. Oh really? Damn. Oh shoot.
I was just telling, I called Reese this morning. Intel had a really nice morning push this morning, Skyler.
Yeah, I'll take a look at that and see.
That was my alerts for CCIV.
Oh my gosh, dang. Yeah, Nails having a huge push, you know.
What happened?
I'm
Oh,
paper trading it right now.
What is it? Oh my gosh, are you serious? Told you I was gonna break it. Man, that's unfortunate. The stock I really like, Skylar and I always rave about, um, is that hit my stop loss the other day is soaring right now. So
Really?
yeah, so I just um, one thing to definitely focus on is just I need to get better at not getting as much FOMO. I think that will come through experience. I was just watching Warrior Trading last night, and he had his biggest red day at he lost 65,000, and
I saw that, yeah.
and so that his last biggest red day was like 35, so he like doubled it. Now, fortunately, his green days are like 250,000.
Yeah, he'll make that.
Yeah, he'll. I mean, last time I've seen him do that, he literally bounced back the very next day. But it's just all about as he was talking about perspective. All right, we talk about perspective a lot, but I mean he was just like, you got to look at it like perspective. I made $6 million trading in 2020. Yeah, I started off 2021 negative 100 grand, but that's nothing compared to what I even made last month. December, he made like 750,000. He almost made $1 million in 1 month trading. So it's all about perspective and then regrouping and refocusing. I mean, he was even talking about. I was watching it like why he made that mistake, and he was just talking about how he got away from his strategy. And I think that's what I did yesterday because I did have a red day yesterday, and I think it was because I was getting away from my strategy. But
Hey, Paul. Alright.
CCIV, but
Have fun, Reese.
CCIV hit high 16, 1599. I don't know that. Okay. He's into another stock.
Man, Intel. Crazy move by Intel.
I'm gonna put an order in on Tesla to see if I get a nice bounce off the. Actually, I'm gonna wait. If it bounces off the VWAP again, I'll probably buy in, but I guess we'll see. Should get 100 shares. Oh shoot! Rookie mistake.
Yeah, PLTR is at a new high for the day. It's kind of shooting up. Holy crap. Jeez and jeez.
What?
It's gonna hit 27. Or actually, no, it's at 26.70 right now. PLTR.
Oh, holy crap! Wow,
Yeah.
that would be a lot of money if I held.
know, man. I
But
know.
we just talked about it, FOMO.
Yeah.
It's almost impossible to nail every single trade. Actually,
Yo, Jason. So, So like 20 minutes ago, we were just like, um, that was all pre-market.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I thought that was like, okay. So, shoot. Like, so many stocks shot up. Like, I would have bought some.
Yes, that big ding 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 ding. That was the sound of the market opening.
Damn.
So it was 9:30 here. Now it's 9:37.
Jeez.
I sold out of Tesla. Pretty much break even. $8 trade. Um,
$8.
I it just kept going down and up, and it really wasn't breaking that 860. So, um,
Yeah.
jeez, dude. And then DM's at 1040.
Crap, I was gonna buy some that yesterday, too.
I know, I should have mine.
One day, one day. Oh, forgot about this one. Oh, plug sold off in the morning.
That's a sick ass design, boys. I love it.
You like that? Yeah.
Yeah, man. So for your next flavor, you should change like maybe the tiger, obviously, to like the whatever it's gonna be, like the fruit punch, do like a fruit
Yeah.
punch symbol, but maybe try to see what it looks like with like a different, like for fruit punch, do like red, do like the red, or pink.
Maybe like a jacked, like super muscular punch, like a
We were talking about
or like a fist coming out or something. Yeah.
That'd be
Yeah, we'll
cool.
probably change up the theme with each. If that's easy to do, we'll change up the theme.
I don't think it'll be easy to do. We'll probably have to
Yeah, that's
pay
true.
for more designs, or we can just have if Reese can get good at it, Reese do it.
But if they pop off, like,
Yeah, I mean it's the label sells. So if you have a strong label, you know what I mean.
right. CCIVs have a nice push.
I see that.
Yeah, wow. Oh, I wanna buy it so bad.
You could go to Sailor.
No. Oh, it's pushing high. Damn it. Okay, if it drops below 1550, I'm gonna buy in.
Well, do it.
Do you guys? Oh, sorry. Do you guys know what the hell is happening with CRISPR right now? Why is it blanked out?
I'll check it out after I'm done with this trade, Paul.
What's the ticker symbol called?
CSPR
CR.
or
It's CRSP.
Yeah, it's not moving.
No, like the pre-market is blank. I don't understand. Wait,
Oh, I see.
I don't get it. Oh, okay. So for all those gray ones, that means like no one bought it, no one sold it. It was bought like it's at the same exact, so it doesn't move up or down. It stays at the same.
no, Paul. You're looking at it's CRSP. You're looking at the wrong CRISPR.
Oh, I am. Oh, CRISPR Therapeutics. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, he's in there.
Oh, never mind.
Uh,
Never mind.
right next to the
Yeah.
gray candles means like it ends and starts.
It just means there's not a whole lot of pre-market movement.
There's not.
Yo, Jason, look at CCIV. Look at that what's going on here with this
Um,
what's that indicating?
So that is a pretty good sized pullback, Skylar. And the thing that when I try to teach about pullbacks is it's like one step up, or two steps up, one step back, and so that looks good to me. The only thing is you don't want to see such a big pullback where it's like two steps up, two steps back, where it's back to where it started. You know what I mean?
Okay.
It's not ascending or headed in a positive direction. That looked like a good pullback off that 9 exponential moving average.
Yeah. Alright, let's see.
Copy and paste. Have you been messing with any paper, or not paper, penny stocks recently, or?
No.
Try to stay away from those.
Yeah, I've been staying away from them. So on the day, I'm sitting up $750. Okay. Now it's kind of that time where it's like, do you keep trading? Do you go for your daily goal of 1,000? This is where I was at yesterday. I was up 900, and I didn't walk away because I kind of got greedy. And my dad, same thing. He wanted to get a certain milestone. He was $30 away.
Yeah, I remember.
So it's at a point now where it's like, is it worth it? I think I'm going to keep trading. It seems like a pretty strong morning, but what I'm going to do now is lower my position size to kind of manage my risk. Wow, I cannot believe PLTR went to 27.24 just like that. I think I had 1,500 shares at $25, so that's $3.5 grand. That's nothing compared to NNDM though. I had 5,000 shares at like an 850 cost basis.
Oh my god.
So that's like a $10,000 difference.
I almost bought some NNDM last night for like $9. Oh.
I just traded it quickly. Oh man. That's just like a punch to the gut.
Yeah.
I'm watching Tesla.
NNDM could go up to 11 today.
I know. I think it very easily can. I mean, look how quickly it went from.
At 1061.
Yeah, and it's what, 15 minutes of it being open.
Oh, it's at a high.
I just don't want to buy in now. I feel like it's,
Yeah, I bought in at 10 for the break at 1040, but now I think it has to have it's got to have some sort of pullback. It doesn't have to, but for me to get into it, it does. I'm gonna buy 100 shares of Tesla right now.
Damn.
I didn't. Sorry, I didn't mean. That sounded very arrogant. I didn't mean to sound like that.
No, man. Fucking cherries.
I
Are
thought
you
we'd
in
be
it?
able to afford 100.
Yeah, I'm in on Tesla.
Going up.
I only bought 50 shares though, because I want to lower my position sizes, like I just talked about.
CCIV is gradually dropping.
Good. I'm gonna stay away from it until any further news comes out of anything being really in place. I don't like how it's kind of speculation play, and speculation plays almost never work out for me. So yeah. Hoping to see a good rip and dip and rip on Tesla. Actually, I'll put it at Why you second guessing?
I've been behind all the, just been behind all the, I was waiting for something at the bell, and it just didn't. I honestly thought
Holy
it was going the
crap.
other direction. I
And then
thought it
DM's
was-
already at $11 almost.
I thought it was gonna have a
Holy
pullback.
shit.
It did. Little one.
Wow.
That's what I get. That is what I get.
It didn't. It already hit 11, bro.
It's at
I flag or not.
mine's it's at
1087.
1087.
Oh,
I was saying it very very close too. Sorry.
that's going.
CCIB starting to pull back up. And a nice pullback.
Damn
Now it's
it.
going back up.
I've missed so many opportunities. Drag me. Oh well.
We can't get can't get too upset about it. Oh no. Just always have to think. Yeah, it could have been in it, but it could have easily went down the other way.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly. Very well put, Colby.
Sucks, but comes to it, you gotta nothing else to do it. If you're gonna
Still
have that DM
Tesla?
and PL
Yeah.
or not slowing
You gotta
down.
be making a little bit of money, right?
Yeah, I am. Come on, get out. Yes. All right. That was my last trade. Actually, I just sold. Watch it break.
Tesla.
Yeah, watch it break the middle VWAP. I sold. And it just broke it. I sold. I sold because I didn't think it would. Actually, I don't. It might not. But that was about a $300 winner. It's a little bit bigger than my $8 winner on Tesla this morning.
$8.
So now I
Very
sit.
cool.
Now I sit on the day $1,043.
Nice.
I think because this is so. I was thinking about it this morning. When I first started out, I first started trading momentum stocks, and that's where you saw the big $10,000 and $13,000 winners I had. But there was also $5,000 losers. Colby was able to personally witness one in his basement. And so I, as a trader at that point, because I've been doing it for under a year, I wasn't personally ready to handle that much momentum. And so for me, now doing it for not, I don't want to say for a long time, because I haven't done it for a long time, but now I need to realize where my skill is at, and being okay with knowing that right now $1,000 a day, if I just stick to that, I'll be very fine. And then once I feel like I'm ready to move, because I personally don't think I'm ready. I know I'm not ready to scale up. That was my problem yesterday. I wasn't ready to take those positions, and so it's just kind of being disciplined and knowing when to walk away. And I think it's now. Even though,
Yeah.
and then DM's at 891, 90. Oh, that just sucks. That breaks my heart.
Yeah, I was gonna buy some last night.
It's just exactly what I was waiting for too.
No, it was the day late.
Day late and $1 short, bud.
I was gonna say that.
Anything you gentlemen want to add to the live stream? I'm thinking about closing it out here as I'm wrapping up my trading.
Just do.
Hold on, Skylar. Wait, Skylar, hold that thought. Hold that thought. Zoom in. Boom. What do you have to say?
Just do as much research as you can yesterday after I got done trading at like 6 in the morning.
Yeah.
I went to bed for an hour, got back up, and I did research for about 5 or 6 hours. Just, doing random research on just about everything I could.
Yeah.
And then right before bed last night, I made up a little document, like listing everything I should be focusing on. Even though I'm like not really sticking to it right now, it's good to have like a plan for the next day, so you're not scared of rain the next morning.
Right. Yeah. Exactly. That's really good.
So
Well put.
I don't know. I guess I'm trying to I'm still getting my feet wet with it. This is like my third or my second time like actually day trading.
Right.
So I don't know. We're just kind of going with it for right now, but.
Hell yeah, man. So I think I wish I was able to record actually trading, because I went to your guys' house and I traded that one morning and nothing was working. But to close out the trading session, I think the biggest thing that beginner traders have a problem with is risk management. When to walk away and when to be able to cut their losses and mitigate the risk. So definitely that's one thing I think beginners should look into, is how to effectively mitigate risk. But other than that, if you guys want to live day trade with us, my camera cut out. If you guys would like to live day trade with us, join the team. Next 10 people are free, and the link is in the description below. Have a good day, guys.